Hello! In this video I will review Canon laser multifunctionals and printers. I will show what is new and do the productivity test at the end. For a product setup with unboxing, see the video in the upper right corner of the screen. First, I show the model information. Here is the replacing series on the screen and I summarize what is new. Changes in product design, print and scan speed, user experience and toner cartridge. I quickly show the printer-only model of LBP240 series. After unboxing, you find the QR code on the hard copy manual to find more information on specs and functions. Printer ships with starter toner for 1500 pages. Mostly Canon laser printers have only 5-line mono LCD display. In the online manuals, you find more detailed specs on different models. Canon laser printers may be sub-branded iSenses or image class. So here I show the LBP models. There is also iSenses X laser sub-brand with similar specs. The differences are in naming of the models, the toner compatibility, and solutions such as Uniflow Online. Uniflow is a secure print and scan and cost tracking solution for business printers. I have covered about Uniflow on Business Inkjet Maxify GX series in the video in the upper right corner of the screen. I move on to multifunctionals. The Canon MF400 series models have been known for their durability, reliability, and very long lifetime of the products. Here I put a couple of product counters on the screen as the device lifetime is not published officially. These numbers are very impressive. So let's see what are the improvements in the new generation in more detail. I use iSenses MF465dw model. It looks similar, but the device volume is reduced by 10%. The paper capacity is the same, paper load indicator is added, and extra paper cassette is optional. The toner cartridge is all-in-one. I put numbers on the screen, including the recommended monthly print volume. Most of the functions are similar as well as scanning destinations. Via the remote user interface, the favorites can be organized. The automatic document feeder is often used for scanning. DADF, Duplex Automatic Document Feeder, scans two-sided originals in one pass. It is smaller, faster, and support a small size as business card. Here I scan credit card size via ADF to show. Next, I talk about the new user interface generation. Full personalization of the home screen increases the productivity. The easy-to-follow icons are similar, there are new tabs, and the key update is drag and drop function. I show on-screen customization by moving the on-screen icons between the tabs. Name and Scan is one of the applications that can be configured to scan to shared folder in one-touch operation. And you can find my detailed tutorial for MF devices in the upper right corner of the screen. The order of the icons also can be changed. I can customize the display via the remote user interface, where I find 18 different applications which can be added and configured for one-touch workflows. 5 more applications are added in this generation to the application library. With this interface, I can additionally change the tab names. They could be used for different device users or based on the type of function or something else. And then I can rearrange the icons on screen using drag and drop function also with the mouse. To find more about application library, scan the QR code to get to the online manuals via the on-screen menu. The native cloud is supported for OneDrive, G Drive and Dropbox, as I did already about the predecessor MF450 series in the upper right corner. Here I demonstrate the language app configuration. Up to 5 menu languages can be added and then switched with the one touch. This task would be much more complicated via the settings hidden deep down in the menus. Next, I cover the connectivity. Ethernet or Wi-Fi, including Wi-Fi Direct, are standard. I put Mopria scan demonstration on the left side screen. Models supporting fax have telephone input and external handset is optional. Faxes can be sent without printing from the PC or received without printing with forwarding function. The main Canon app for lasers is Canon Print Business app, and printer connection is easy. Select Mobile Portal and display the QR code and scan with the app. Mobile Print also supports simple secure print with PIN code protection. On the mobile, on the screen, I prepare the secure print and then I release it on the device entering the code. Wi-Fi module can be disabled from device service mode and then physically removed from the device, as all printers of this series support Wi-Fi by default. Direct Wi-Fi needs to be enabled separately and is disabled from security reasons. In most devices, PCL, PostScript and UFR printer languages are supported. For best performance, Canon ultra-fast rendering driver is recommended. Find my detailed video about software installation on smaller mono-multifunctional series of MF270 in the upper right corner. Access to remote user interface has admin and user mode. I log in as admin to see the status of the device. Counters can be remotely read with Canon e-maintenance, remote diagnostics for authorized resellers to see the status and collect information. Cartridge history is also locked to track non-original toner usage. And eco information, as Canon lasers have lowest power consumption in the class, as they use ceramic heater and new toner melts at lower temperatures. TEC stands for typical electricity consumption, and the energy cost can be calculated. In sleep mode the energy level is very low. For connectivity, the Universal Print is now supported, which is Microsoft Cloud Print. It needs to be activated from the remote user interface, and Microsoft Business or School account is needed. Then you can print from anywhere and share the printer with anyone. Find more information on Canon official Universal Print site. In the last part, I do the productivity test using two-sided print. This model is class-leading in two-sided print speed, as it uses the switchback roller to handle two paper sheets at the same time in the printer. When printing 4 pages, two-sided, the order of the prints is page 1, page 3, page 2 and finally page 4. Here I copy two-sided originals to demonstrate. Let me show the speed of two-sided DADF scan to the memory media. I check the settings to plug and play the memory stick. Scan to compact and searchable PDF is supported, and new is that blank pages can be skipped while scanning. Here I scan 10 pages in two-sided. Official speed spec is again class-leading 100 images per minute based on ISO speed standard. Indeed, impressive two-sided scan. And that would be all in this video. Find more videos about Canon laser devices on my channel. Feel free to subscribe to support the channel, as it is free and helps me to grow and create more content in the future. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye.